Hey there, food lovers. Welcome to LK Dinner Time. Today, we're making something absolutely special. A whole stuffed chicken with flavorful biryani rice, baked to golden perfection. This recipe is truly unique because it combines the rich flavors of biryani with the elegance of a whole roasted chicken. Instead of serving rice and chicken separately, we are stuffing the chicken with perfectly spiced biryani, sealing in all the flavors, and then baking it to golden perfection. Let's dive right in. First, take a whole chicken and remove all the bones. This step makes the chicken super tender and easy to stuff. Now, we're doing a double marination for the best flavor. First marination. Cut a lemon in half and, in a bowl, squeeze 1/2 of the lemon. Add salt to taste and a little turmeric powder. This gives a subtle, earthy taste and a beautiful color. Mix it all well and rub it over the chicken, making sure every part is coated. Let it sit for 15 minutes so the flavors can start working their magic. Meanwhile, let's not waste those bones. Add them to a pan with 2 cups of water, a pinch of salt, and let it boil for 10 minutes. This makes a rich, flavorful broth that we'll use to cook our rice. Once done, strain out the bones and keep that liquid gold aside. Cooking the rice. In another pan, add bay leaf, cinnamon, nutmeg, star anise, cumin, cardamom, and cloves. These whole spices infuse the rice with an incredible aroma. Now, add 2 cups of rice and pour in the chicken broth we made earlier. Start cooking. While the rice is simmering, let's build even more flavor. In a separate pan, melt 2 teaspoons of butter and add ramp leaves. Curry leaves, chopped ginger, garlic, and a tomato. Let it all fry until fragrant. Now, add 2 tablespoons of garam masala and 2 cups of water. This mixture will go straight into the rice while it cooks, making every grain extra flavorful. Second marination. In a bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of yogurt with garam masala powder and rub it all over the chicken. Let it sit for 20 minutes. This helps lock in moisture and gives a deliciously spiced taste. Now that the rice is ready, let's take it to the next level. Add fried cashews, fried dried plums, crispy fried onions, and a quarter cup of saffron-infused milk. Give it a gentle mix. This is what makes the stuffing absolutely irresistible. Lay an aluminum sheet on a baking tray to seal in moisture. Carefully fill the rice inside the chicken, making sure to reach every corner. For an extra crunch, add some fried peanuts and cashews before sealing it up. Sew the openings securely and bake at 365 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Final glaze. To get that perfect golden color, melt 1 tablespoon of butter, mix in garam masala powder, 2 tablespoons of curd, and the remaining half of the lemon juice. After the first bake, brush this all over the chicken, covering every inch. Now, back into the oven for another 10 minutes to crisp up and turn golden brown. And there you have it, a beautifully baked, stuffed whole chicken with the most flavorful biryani rice inside. The skin is crispy, the rice is packed with spices, and every bite is absolutely divine. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to LK Dinner Time for more mouthwatering dishes. See you in the next one. Happy cooking!